Hi, this is Blessing. Today I'll be showing you how to plot a single graph in Origin. So keep watching and enjoy. Thank you.
To create a plot in Origin, first import your data. Directly import an Excel file. Click Data at the top menu bar. Click Import from File. Import wizard to import a single file. From the Import wizard source file, click on that drop down menu icon to add file from computer. Browse your file on your computer. Select the Excel file you desired. Click Hard Add. Then click OK. Then make sure you import mode is to start a notebook. You can either click next or click finish. Once your file is imported, then you can go ahead and select your X and your Y axis, then click plot. Add, then click OK. Then make sure you import mode is to start a notebook. You can either click next or click finish. Once your file is imported, then you can go ahead and select your X and your Y axis, then click plot. Line and symbols. This would give you a plot. Another way to do this is to go back to your book, select your X and Y, go down to your graph tool menu. You have the option to import just line, to plot just scatter, or to plot line and symbol. I'm going to choose to plot line and symbol. To customize my plot, dating my axis, my symbols, and my labels, and also much more. So I'll start by editing my y axis by double clicking on y, and then it gives me the option to change that from y to intensity in count per seconds. I can highlight all and control bold, or I can click the bold x-axis. I want to label this to theta. So theta is a Greek symbol. To insert Greek symbol, if you know the direct or short form, you can click the Greek symbol and enter it. But if you don't know, you can either click Ctrl M to open the symbol map. Another way to open the symbol map is by double clicking, right clicking in the text box, click Insert, click symbol map, and then that opens the symbol map. I can select my Greek symbol. You also have the option of opening the math tool, European, combining arrow and miscellaneous. So sticking to my Greek symbol, inserting theta, click insert degrees. Then I'll put the unit of 2 theta in degrees. I select all in that and then bold it by clicking Ctrl B or by selecting bold up here. The next step is scaling the axis. Double click on the axis itself and then choose the properties. To bring up the axis dialog under the scale, you want to select the range of the axis. So I choose to select from for my horizontal. Most of my peaks are between 20 to 80, so I'll select my axis from 20 to 80. Then my increment value I want to be 5, so I'm going to change my increment value to 5. Then apply. The line and ticks, I want to change my line and tick. I want the color to be black. The thickness is okay. The major ticks, I want my ticks to be in instead. That takes it from an outer tick to inside. And I'm going to change the style of the tick. And for the minor ticks, I want none. The next thing, I want to apply reference line. I'm going to click reference line for the vertical beginning and end, apply. And for my horizontal also, I'm going to click reference line beginning and end, apply. Once I do that, going back to my scale, I'm going to change my vertical scale from 0 600 for now. But because there's very tiny, like there are some structures I want to emphasize here, I'm going to take the scale to even smaller. Once I'm done editing my scale, I chose from about 20 to about 80 for my horizontal and my vertical. From about 20 to 200, I click apply and then OK. Then that implement whatever scale I've chosen. Okay. So I want to edit the symbols because the symbols are a little bit too big. Symbol on my graph or my line. Double click on the plots details. It opens up. On the symbol, I'm going to select the symbol size to be 1. I'm going to select my type of symbol to be circle, and then I'll click apply. To edit my line, I just select line up here. Then I can change the width of the line to 2. I can change the color if I wish to about to red, then apply. What next thing I want to do is to change the reference line, change the thickness of the reference line and the color to match the other ones. Instead of gray, I'm gonna have it at that color, 1.5 instead. So this would match my other reference line. I can choose to hide my intensity data here. Just clicking hide and then changing my color and my thickness of my reference line down there. Now I want to change this line to represent copper oxide nanostructures. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and add labels for those peaks. To add labels, I'm going to insert text. In that text, I'm going to click on insert. Then I'm going to click on insert symbols map. Then go to the mat to, I want to use those arrows. Then I want to use this arrow. Because I'm familiar with this peak, I can label it as a copper oxide peak. This is just how you plot a simple line graph. Thank you.